Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. So if you are a student, if you are a housewife or job holder, and if you want to start your freelancing journey, so this video for you. I have already completed many videos where you can learn complete data entry, lead generation, virtual assistant job. Also, if you want to start your online business, so this channel will help you a lot because I make videos how we can create website and many more. So as a student, freelancing is the one of the best way where you can earn money. It could be your best side hustle. All right, so don't forget to check my playlist section where you can get different kind of playlist. You can learn and earn, like how we can make money, Pinterest, also Canva tutorials, lead generation and Fiverr data entry. In this tutorial I will show you a step-by-step process where you can find the freelancing job and how you can make money and how you can complete the project and how you can deliver it. Each and every step I will show you. Already I uploaded a recently video here. You can see how to earn money from data entry online, Fiverr data entry, Upwork data entry jobs. So please watch this video and you will get bunch of ideas. So our slogan is invest in yourself, you can start with no money. All right, so let's jump into a main topic. First of all, you have to analyze the freelancing job sector, like the Upwork, Fiverr, or different kind of. Maybe you heard this kind of freelancing marketplace. So right now I am in my Upwork profile and this is the job title, data research and entry. Need a list of mechanics in my city. So this is the job proposal and job description. Don't worry if you don't know, so I will help you to understand and I will help you to get this kind of project. Already how you can see the hired one, so chances is very good. So if you know basic data entry, data mining, data scraping, so this project is for you. You don't need to high skill like programming. So if you know basic computer, like how to Google search and how to find information, how to copy paste, just that's it. Okay, so let's start with the title, data entry and research. Already here you can see the buyer from New Zealand, Auckland, and hire rate 75%, which is good already. So first of all you have to analyze the project. That's mean the buyer requirements. You have to understand the buyer requirements. It's the first criteria, and if the buyer is happy to see your sample, so chances is 100% you can get this job. So what is sample? So in the bottom of description you can see I will request a small sample of your work before hiring. Very important. So like if you want to apply any kind of job, so maybe you have some experience and you have some documents or certificates or working experience. So this is pretty much similar. If you know how to data entry and how to list, find, etc., so maybe you have a small sample, and definitely buyer will request to show them, so he can understand, so that buyer can understand you are ready to work. Okay, that's it. So it not a big deal. Just go to your Google sheet and just create a sample. So I am going to creating a sample for you, how you can create a sample and how you can find this kind of project. Okay, we have to analyze the project. I need a list of mechanics business details in Auckland, New Zealand. So our targeted niche industry is, we have to find the mechanics business. Okay, obviously details, and location is Auckland, New Zealand. Okay, so this kind of project is randomly you will get one different kind of marketplace, and it is this very similar, and the variation is maybe the industry will be changed and also the changed the location, but the process is same. So if you learn this process and if you watch this tutorial and if you learn, I think you can do different kind of project like this. Okay, and I want you to Google them and ensure they have zero or a small amount of Google reviews. So maybe you know Google reviews, so I will show you, no problem. So please put it into a spreadsheet. Company name, we have to find a company name, contact name, email, phone number, website. I assume there is a lot of mechanics in the city with little of no reviews. So get as many as possible, aiming for 1000 contacts. That's mean buyer is looking for 1000 contacts and the price is $50. That's mean you have to find 1000 contacts and buyer will give you the $50. Sometimes it will be more higher. So first of all you have to create a Google spreadsheet as a sample. Okay, so let's create it. So just go to your Google account and find the sheets and just create a Google sheet, and before creating a Google sheet we have to create a name. Data entry and research, it should be their title name. Just copy and paste it here, and let's copy the its spreadsheet. That's mean the bar need company name, and the contact name, that's mean the person name. It should be the person name. Obviously we have to find the person name from LinkedIn. So if you don't know how to find a person from LinkedIn, so watch my other videos and search. I think you will get different kind of videos where I showed step-by-step tutorials. So just follow my videos, okay? It's completely free, so don't need to any single penny, okay? So this is our column. That's mean a column is first name. Our next step is we have to Google it, okay? The mechanics. So how we can Google it? Just go to Google and we have to input the location. It's very important. Auckland, New Zealand. So if you only search on mechanics, so all over the world you will get the mechanics, but specifically we need Auckland, New Zealand mechanics. So enter, okay, the results for Auckland, New Zealand. So you will see all the results over there, and what you need to do, just click on more businesses. All right, in the left sidebar you can see, and just scroll down and you will see the lots of companies out there, and also you will see the pages, okay? And first on click on that, and here you can see the Google review which is required, okay? Bear already discuss about this. I want you to Google them and ensure them they have zero small amount of Google reviews. Ensure they have zero or small amount of Google reviews. That's mean we have to find zero or small amount Google reviews. So if we see the 100 is most highest, so we can find below 100, okay, which is good. So here you can see their Google review is 58, 4.7. So first of all, make sure they have website, okay? We have to search like advanced mobile. Just go to Google, okay, search on Google, and there you go, the second one, okay? Let's open this. Sometimes you don't get any website, but don't worry, just try yourself. Just go to Google and search, okay? So if we can't find any website, so we'll leave it blank. Khan's SB, and the email address should be Khan's SB and phone number. Here we go, copy the phone number, and obviously remove the plus section available, okay? So this is our first one. So let's try the second one, Auckland Mobile Mechanics, okay? Click on second one, Auckland Mobile Mechanics, okay? Here you can see their website, very nice. So click on website. So let's grab their first name, just copy and paste, okay? And the contact person, okay? So this is their website, copy the website, all right, and copy their phone number. We can find the phone number. Here you go, their phone number, and obviously remove the plus section, otherwise it will got a error. All right, so we couldn't find any information like their LinkedIn page or website. Parnell Motors LinkedIn New Zealand, and we will see lots of LinkedIn out there. So just check manually, and if you can see any name or CEO founder or something else, so just grab the name and paste it here. So this is how you can build a 1000 contact list. So sometimes you don't get any information, don't worry, just leave it blank, because we have to collect 1000 information, so lots of contact, and sometimes we don't get 10 to 15% data, and it's okay for this kind of project, okay? So this is how you can build a sample, and just click on file and download it as a Excel, PDF, HTML, CSV, whatever you like. Also you can share this link to your client so that buyer can understand you can do this project easily, okay? Just send it to your buyer, and buyer will check the project sample, and if everything is okay, buyer will talk to you like a video conference or a text conversation, and then make a deal. So this is how you can make money. It's pretty easy, and sometimes it's time consuming, so don't worry about it. After all, you are making money. So no more today. I will come back with another tutorials. If you love this content, please subscribe my channel and comment below if you have any queries. So stay tuned, have a good day, tata, bye bye.